Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, although it's been a few days, but that is where this green line is coming from, one of the previous videos I did, and that also factors very much so into the analysis right now and then going forward. And this will mean, I suppose, a little bit more to those of you that watched the past video where I've talked about that green line at $6. But that was an area of support that I pointed out. And you can see that this morning on the pretty big plunge, the price, although never quite hit it exactly, I think we can all agree, certainly got within the range of that $6 level and then was able to generate a nice little bounce for itself. Although this afternoon, the price did roll back over a little bit. But from the big picture point of view, the point I'm trying to get across is $6 is a level that you would want to see act as support, and it did indeed act as support. So that is definitely an area that a lot of people are going to be watching on Friday. So this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part. I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty big price movements. So we'll see if the price, once again, does test $6. If it does and $6 fails to hold, then at that point in time, you'd want to turn your attention to the 200 period moving average, which currently is valued at $5.80. But keyword there being moving. So as Friday and then next week play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, and therefore that value is going to move and change too. So you will have to get a little bit more proactive as a trader in the event that $6 level does not quite hold up. In the event there is some sort of upwards price movement, the initial level of resistance that stands out to me is this downtrending trend line right here. For whatever reason, that's just kind of shown up as the key level of resistance that's been slowly pushing the price further and further downwards. So keep a close eye on that. If the price can get a break through that level, then the next key overarching level is up there at the purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, a lot of eyeballs are going to be on that $6 mark. Let's see if it can hold up or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.